Hello friends, today we will discuss diversity of microbiota, which is a key to the health of our body. Diversity, gut microbiota diversity refers to the variety and abundance of different microbial species in the gastrointestinal tract. High diversity is generally associated with resilience and health, while low diversity is linked to various chronic conditions of the body. This is diversity, different types of species. The relation between microbiota diversity and diabetes. Type 2 diabetes, low diversity, reduced microbial diversity is commonly observed in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Decrease in beneficial bacteria like Akkermansia muciniphila and fecal bacterium Prasunitzel, metabolic dysregulation, dysbiosis, imbalance of gut bacteria leads to increased production of pro-inflammatory substances like lipopolysaccharides, LPS, which promote insulin resistance. Reduced production of short-chain fatty acids like butyrate impairs glucose metabolism. Relation between microbiota diversity and diabetes, again, obesity and metabolic syndrome. Altered microbiota composition, decrease in bacteroidetes, and increase in firmicutes is often associated with obesity. Energy harvesting. Some microbes enhance energy extraction from food, contributing to weight gain. Altered bile acid metabolism impacts fat absorption and glucose regulation. Relation between microbiota diversity and diabetes, again on gestational diabetes. Reduced microbial diversity during pregnancy is linked to increased inflammation, potentially contributing to gestational diabetes. Relation between microbiota diversity and mental health. Gut-brain axis. The gut and brain communicate through the gut-brain axis involving the vagus nerve, immune system, and microbial in metabolites like short-chain fatty acids and neurotransmitters. Low diversity and mental health disorders. Depression and anxiety. Dysbiosis is linked to increased gut permeability, which allows inflammatory molecules like lipopolysaccharides to enter circulation and affect the brain. Reduced levels of short-chain fatty acids can impair neurotransmitter production, such as serotonin, a mood regulator. Stress. Chronic stress can alter microbiota composition, reducing diversity and increasing pathogenic species. This creates a feedback loop that exacerbates stress and anxiety. Neurotransmitter production. Certain gut bacteria produce or regulate neurotransmitters. Lactobacillus and bifidobacterium contribute to serotonin and gamma aminobutyric acid GABA production, supporting mental well-being. Inflammation and neuroinflammation. Low microbial diversity is associated with systemic inflammation, which can lead to neuroinflammation, contributing to cognitive decline and mood disorders. Strategies to improve microbiota diversity for better metabolic and mental health. Number one is diet. Fiber-rich foods promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, that is whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Fermented foods contain probiotics that enhance microbial diversity, that is yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut. Prebiotics, foods like garlic, onions, and bananas nourish beneficial microbes. Lifestyle changes. Regular exercise enhances microbiota diversity and reduces inflammation. Stress management techniques like meditation and yoga support gut-brain health. Adequate sleep promotes microbial balance. Strategies to improve microbiota diversity for better metabolic and mental health. Probiotics and supplements. Targeted probiotics containing lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains may improve both metabolic and mental health. Short-chain fatty acids precursors or postbiotics can also be beneficial. Avoidance of antibiotic overuse. Preserving microbiota diversity by using antibiotics only when necessary. Summary. Diabetes and metabolism. Low microbial diversity contributes to inflammation, insulin resistance, and impaired metabolism, which are key factors in diabetes. Mental health. Gut microbiota diversity is integral to neurotransmitter production, inflammation control, and mood regulation. Improving microbiota diversity through dietary and lifestyle interventions can positively impact metabolic health and mental well-being. Strategies to improve gut microbiota health and diversity. Maintaining a healthy and diverse gut microbiota is essential for overall well-being, as it supports digestion, metabolism, immune functions, and mental health. Here are science-backed strategies to enhance gut microbiota health and diversity. Diet and nutrition. Increase fiber intake. Gut microbes ferment dietary fiber, producing beneficial short-chain fatty acids like butyrates, which improve gut health. Sources: whole grains, fruits, that is apples, berries, vegetables, broccoli, artichokes, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Consume prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible food components that feed beneficial bacteria. Sources are garlic, onions, leeks, bananas, asparagus, chicory root, and Jerusalem artichokes. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods contain live probiotics that enhance microbial diversity. Examples: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha. Diet and nutrition again include polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols have prebiotic-like effects, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Sources: green tea, dark chocolate, berries, olive oil, and red wine in moderation. Diversify your diet. Eating a variety of foods introduces different nutrients, encouraging a more diverse microbiota. Avoid excess sugar and processed foods. High sugar and processed diets reduce microbial diversity and promote the growth of harmful bacteria. Fiber-rich foods. Probiotics and supplements. Probiotics. Supplementing with probiotics introduces a beneficial bacteria to the gut. Look for strains like Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and Saccharomyces boulardii. Prebiotic supplements. Prebiotic fibers like inulin and fructooligosaccharides can enhance gut health by feeding beneficial microbes, postbiotics, supplementing with the short chain fatty acid derivatives or metabolites from microbes can support gut function. Lifestyle modifications. Regular physical activity, moderate exercise increases microbial diversity and promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria like Akkermansia muciniphila. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively affect the gut microbiota. Strategies, meditation, yoga, mindfulness, and deep breathing exercises. Get adequate sleep. Poor sleep disrupts the gut microbiota. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Overuse of antibiotics can harm gut microbiota diversity. Use only as prescribed by a healthcare professional. Environmental and behavioral factors. Spend time outdoors. Exposure to natural environment introduces diverse microbes to your system. Limit antimicrobial products. Overuse of antibacterial soaps and sanitizers can reduce beneficial microbes. Pet interactions. Interacting with pets, especially dogs, has been shown to enhance microbiota diversity. Special considerations. Manage leaky gut, include foods rich in glutamine, that is bone broth, eggs, and anti-inflammatory nutrients, that is omega-3 fatty acids to support the gut lining. Address food sensitivities, identify and eliminate foods that may cause inflammation or discomfort. Hydrate adequately. Staying hydrated supports mucin production and overall gut function. Practices to avoid. Smoking damages gut microbiota and reduces diversity. Excess alcohol consumption harms beneficial bacteria and increases intestinal permeability. Overuse of NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, can disrupt gut health. Summary: gut microbiota health and diversity thrive on a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and mindful use of medications. Small, consistent lifestyle changes can make a big impact on your gut health and overall well-being. Thank you very much.